What's up, guys? This is your boy Certified Salt. We're right here at Freddylsx Fest. We just pulled up with a Trailblazer and the blue truck. We're right here with my boy Homie. Hey, y'all setting up for it?
No, you said it up. Hey.
No.
Hey, he's over here to call you out.
Nah, dijo que quería la King Cobra.
Where's the twin turbo at?
La casa.
I don't to a racing man with no truck.
Aquella.
I'm gonna Freddie called me out right now. Freddie said he's gonna run me for 10,000.
Fuck.
Shake on it right now. I put fire. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna shut up. I don't know who to bet on.
You can fight on who?
I don't know yet. I gotta see both of them run first.
I'll give you 3 cars in the hit with versus that blue truck.
I love it, guy.
Yeah, if you race me in the bike. Hooper?
Yeah, Hooper heads.
Hooper. Oh yeah. I've never even heard of those.
Yeah.
What those run for?
Right, how much Hooper heads? Yeah. Oh, it depends, right?
Well, it depends. These are a CID head ported by Hooper. It's a CID casting ported by Hooper. They're about 5-6 grand on the heads, yeah. But these guys, all the alcohol, the best of the best stuff in them.
So you can run whatever on them, basically.
Yeah, these are made for like methanol. Because they got the Inconel exhaust and the titanium intake. So you can run the methanol fuel. Yeah, it's a good head. It's a real good head.
So if you run methanol on regular heads, se las traga?
It tulips the valve, so it stretches it. Because the alcohol's so cold. Everything gets a lot warmer.
¿Con cuánto traes aquí?
How much you think?
This engine's not a badass engine like Big Homie. This engine probably got about 30 grand in it.
But it's still pushing 7s.
Yeah. And it's a good motor, don't get me wrong, but it's not like a solid roller. It's still a hydraulic roller. It's not a race motor.
Say it got more in suspension than motor?
It got a lot, bro. The whole truck has a lot in it. It's just
Yeah.
the whole combination works.
Perfect. Yeah.
It has a $7,000 converter.
I mean, with this,
$7,000 converter?
Yeah.
with this, like,
Wait,
basically,
what kind of converter is that?
Neo Champ.
I got about, 100 in it?
Yeah.
And the transmission?
No.
Like 15?
Like 10.
Oh, 10.
So yeah,
Hey, we came with the truck, remember?
oh yeah. What we did motor, chassis.
Yeah, electronics, turbo kit, just had a seat.
That looks crazy.
Yeah,
I wanna see this
what
bitch
size
run.
are these right here? 88?
Yeah, they're 88.
You're the one that races it, or?
Yeah.
I want to see you run it, and then I'll race you. Oh, homie's gonna give me about 6 bus lanes, so I'm gonna be like about 45 feet away from the line, and I still get the hit, and he's gonna race me with the Gremlin.
And if he spins, he's
For how
fine.
much? 10 grand?
20.
20? I'm gonna walk away. We're gonna see this truck race. It sounds like it's gonna be a monster out here today. I don't think I've ever seen a race in person. I think at the Truck Nationals, I don't think I watched the race.
We race OJ.
You're
buying
race
oil.
too? I was buying what? Oil.
You went to go buy oil.
Yeah, I went to go buy oil. I didn't get to see a race, so I'm actually excited to see a race. We're gonna back up the truck right now. Go over there to the tech side, see if they're gonna give us a tech card. Try to go get a little race and see how. I mean, maybe not a race, just a pass. We're gonna try to see you guys running. Got the certified boys in the building. Yeah, yesterday when we were tuning it, it felt good motor-wise. Transmission, rear end, not too much. We're gonna try to run it today. Hopefully nothing breaks, but if it does, it's gonna be rear end or transmission. Let's go run this baby. We're gonna be doing the 750 index since we didn't like the way it was running with the nitrous yesterday. So we're gonna run all motor today, and we're hoping to get 750s out of it. The tune is not really all the way done. We did what we could to make sure the truck was gonna handle. Besides that, it's not like a aggressive tune or nothing like that. We're just breaking it in. We just gotta go over there, go into the tech place, give them the tech card, and get up on the track. Here it is, guys. We're under the freaking that Mustang right there. What year is that? That's the white body they did a custom, or that's like the one that we seen the other day. But we about to get teched up and go straight to the line. We're gonna race this thing. We're perfect on temperature. It's not overheating. Oil pressure is good. You got decent enough gas, enough voltage, and enough weight. We're not running nitrous right now.
Alright guys, mission failed, she's leaking a little bit. ¿Y para cuándo otra giveaway?
Pues ahorita está ahí la giveaway, está en my booth.
What do you
Your hand.
Alright, go ahead.
Me? Easy.
Go ahead.
You guys are batear harder.
Rule number 1, don't hit the walls. Try to stay away from the walls, because if you hit the walls, he's gonna pull you out quick. Everybody's gonna get 2 minutes. You're gonna get 2 minutes in the pit. Once you see this, or you see something, did you bring the blower on this time? Oh shit. All right, so if you guys see this, there's guys standing on that corner, but just be mindful that you got 2 minutes. If you hear that's it, you know, that's it. Stop what you're doing.
¿Traes unas llantas que me vendas ahorita? No traigo yo ya.
¿Cuál vas a meter ahorita?
No, ni una.
¿Cuál? ¿La blue?
¿Verdad?
Sí, dale
Traes
tronco,
slicks,
güey.
traes slicks.
Ah, ¿qué así?
Nah, es otro.
Pinche papá de leche se tronco con las slicks, ¿verdad? Hasta que las tronó.
Nah, pero la blue la trato con respeto.
Oh.
Ya se me rompió 3 veces, ahorita no tengo que hacer la cuarta.
I got my money on the GA right here.
Money on the GA, I got money on the Trucando truck.
I got it on the Scat Pack.
The Scat Pack?
The Scat Pack is gonna burn out for like 2.5 minutes, but it's just a scat.
That's where I got my money on right here, look. About to lose. I told you.
Camera you man?
What cameraman?
The cameraman up there. Where'd he go? Oh, there he...
Only 2 seconds.
Calmado, pa.
Here, take the camera. Hey, you think you're gonna win?
Huh?
You think you're gonna win?
I'm gonna try it, bro.
You finna blow that hoe?
I'm about to blow the tire.
I'm about to blow that bitch.
Yeah, yeah.
Finna blow that hoe.
How you been? You been good?
That's it, my boy.
We just got ourselves into this race. Last minute fixed everything.
Last minute.
And now I'm racing this guy. So I kind of just said that this guy already agreed to race with me. I haven't even talked to the guy, but we're just gonna assume he's down. Hey, ¿cuánto? ¿20? 20 cuál?
On the black one.
Black one? I got the red one. So you chose first. So on the next one, I choose same lane.
That's cool. 20?
20. And
Yeah,
then we'll keep going.
we'll keep
Yeah.
Look, it's a little paper, a little money, a little pocket change. That's it. That's it.
Just the 40? Hey, hold on. Let me dig a little deeper.
Nah, you already see his fingers. Look at his fingers. There's only three for all of us. Me, Freddie, and one transmission.
What is running? Lo hice a la verga porque I don't want to lose 20. Hey, close. Hey, that was a close one. That was a close race. He got 20 on him. He chose homeboy.
My Chevy.
Hey, my boy got love for the Chevy. He chose a Chevy knowing that Ford's about to take the dub. Hey, these boys about to make me broke today. This is the guy that wouldn't race me. I literally told him, bro, I'm about to lose to you. I'll come race you. You'll get the dub. I just want to race. I just want to try my truck out. And he was like, nah, I don't want to race.
Yes.
Hey, I got left lane. He got right lane.
Hey, I'm good. How much for the fight? How much for this one? 20? 20.
Hey, that bitch right there. That thing hopped the wheelie, right?
Yeah, I'll be back.
All right. What do you got money on?
Got 1,000 on left lane.
On left lane?
1,000 on left lane.
1,000? I will say, don't try this at home. What is this? What are we doing? Drinking and driving. Don't try it at home. Especially not at the racetrack. But here it is legal. And we're doing it safely. It's probably like, what, my second, third, 14th beer?
We're on there, yeah.
But yeah, we're about to actually do a test and tune. I thought they weren't going to do any test and tune, but they're actually allowing it. So, hey, we're about to take advantage of it. But I think right now it's 750 class, no? Is that semi-final?
Yeah, probably.
What lady want right or left?
Oh, I'm not racing him.
One right?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're right here back at the booth. My boy's optical is gone off the Casamigos. I'm not orders out. Hey, watch it, dude. Hey, slow down, slow down. I don't ever drink beer, but when I do, it's Dos Equis. And what we got? Hey, what we got going on right here?
We got a little challenge.
We got a little challenge. Hey, let me help you up, buddy. Beer tug. He's ready. Yeah, you can do. Which one of y'all is the hardest swallower?
That guy.
That guy?
He's a pro.
Are you administrator?
He's a pro, homie. Look at that big ass hole. Look at that shit. Look at mine. Yeah, he's a pro, bro.
Here, make your big.
Hey, do it. 2, 3. Hey, oh, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. Hold on.
Let's see that one. Man.
That was way less. Way less.
I won that.
Both of y'all are disqualified.
I won that.
Holy fuck.